Local health officials say this virus is at a low threat in the United States, so don't worry. Health organizations around the world already have boots on the ground. But if you have recently visited China, or specifically Wuhan City in China, health officials say you should get tested to see if you have coronavirus, because that is where the strain originates from.
There's no need to be alarmed or to panic at this moment. We just need to be vigilant.
Vigilant, as in the CDC, World Health Organization, and other labs across the world, are screening people at airports upon entry or connected flights through Wuhan City. This coronavirus strain is unknown, so the CDC named it novel coronavirus.
U.S. had imports that serviced that region of China in the past 2 weeks, and this week they've added more airports to that list, so that one being O'Hare within our region.
The CDC reports that human coronaviruses are common throughout the world. There are 7 different forms that scientists are knowledgeable of. In fact, you might have heard of coronaviruses that have made past big headline news, like SARS and MERS.
Anything new can be very scary. But from what we know of this virus so far, is there's nothing really to be scared about. It's not at the same level as influenza or measles, which we do have over in this country.
Coronaviruses are zoonotic, meaning these viruses are transmitted from animals to people. The animal linked to the novel coronavirus has not been identified.
When we think of infectiousness of a virus, we look at how well does it spread from human to human. Right now, that seems to be pretty low. But there is so much that we don't know yet about this virus, to really kind of make a formal statement.
Scientists say symptoms are like the common cold: runny nose, sore throat, fever, cough, and lower respiratory pain.
It's really a community effort, among multiple countries to address this. So that's very encouraging.
Local health officials say most germs and viruses can be prevented entering the body from good old-fashioned hand washing.
We would encourage everybody to just practice the same kind of things we tell you to do for any kind of illness, which cover your mouth when you cough. Make sure that you're not sneezing in other people's faces. Wash your hands. If you're sick, stay home.
There have only been one novel coronavirus case in the United States, and that is in the state of Washington. And it's because that individual had traveled to Wuhan City in China. Now, in China so far, a little over 300 cases of novel coronavirus infections have been confirmed, resulting in 6 or more deaths.